To screen record with sound on iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, first of all swipe down from the top right hand corner to open this control menu. As you can see, there is no recording option right here. Just tap on the plus icon at the top left corner and after that tap on add a control. And right here you can see screen recording. Just tap on that and then tap on anywhere on the screen to save this setting. Once the setting is saved, go to the control menu once again and hold this recording option, and right here you can see the microphone audio is currently turned off, and if you want to record microphone audio as well, just tap on that and it will turn red. Once the setting is saved, you can easily screen record with microphone audio like this, and within 3 seconds your recording will begin. And right now my audio will be recorded as well, and if you want to pause this screen recording or stop this screen recording, you can just simply tap right here. Once the recording is saved, just navigate to your photos folder and you can easily see the recording from here. As you can see, my audio is being played as well. So that's how you can easily screen record an iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max with microphone audio. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.